So there's a big difference that needs to be explained in regards to 25 years performance warranty versus 25 years product warranty. Product warranty, that's it. Any issues that the system is not doing what it should be doing and it's died, or if it's greatly underperforming, that you enact the product warranty, have it sorted. Performance warranty is such a gray area that anybody with half a brain will be able to twist out and say, that's not really a performance issue, that's just because the panel has stopped working, that's outside the warranted period or the warranted scopes, then there we go, it's all voided or not even eligible. Performance warranty, it's just hot air. It's just fancy words salespeople like to use to try to make something seem and appear to be bigger and better than it actually is. The need for product warranty, clear and defined product warranty. You don't have performance warranties when you go and buy a car. It's a product warranty. It either has a 3 years or 5 years or 7 years. Those are the warranty periods. So if you ever had any problems, that's the time frame that you would expect the product to last as a bare minimum.